Jiri Apunba Lup strongly condemns the continuous acts of arsons, burning houses of the Meitei communities in the Jiribam district by the Kuki-zo-Hmar community and their armed terrorist groups. Jal in a statement conveys that the Meitei in Jiribam refrains from burning houses that belongs to the Kuki-zo-Hmar community. Instead, our Jal's members oppose any kinds of arsons or house burning at any given moment. While condemning such act of arson and campaigning to restore peace in the district, Kuki-zo-Hmar community and their armed terrorists burned down conditionally abandoned house belonging to the Haikruzam's Maniton Singhs at the Jakuradhor Pathu Jiribams on 24 July at around 7 p.m., which is merely 400 meters from the Borobekra police stations. By taking undue advantage of the owner of the house, as he and his family members were compelled to take shelters at the relief camp due to the ongoing abnormal situation created by the Kuki-zo-Hmar community after abduction and killings of the Soibam Sarat Kumar Singh on 6 June. The reasons for the above consequences is due to the security lapse. We are disappointed with both the district and the police administration for failing to protect and secure vulnerable and remote areas where the Meitei community is a minority group based on the population. The Kuki-zo-Hmar communities and their armed terrorist groups will be lashing out at the Meitei community if our district administrations and the law enforcement force remain silent. The Kuki-zo-Hmar community and its terrorist groups carried out numerous violent attacks on the Meitei community, and in return, the district police conduct combing operations in Meitei's villages, which is quite an irrelevance. We humbly appeal to the district police to take actions and arrest those who are responsible for ethnic cleansing of the Meitei community. Further security arrangements be established to ensure the safety of the Meitei villages and the villages in the vulnerables, Frings and the red zones area. It is our final plea to all the concerned to crack down on the Kuki-zo-Hmar community and the terrorist groups by the abrogating sue at the earliest so as to bring peace and security in our crisis-ridden stone state Manipur, it added.